It looks like a model railroader's dream, a collection of dozens of locomotives lined up one after another. But these engines are the real thing, and they're not on display. This is just one part of CSX's massive Thomas Rice Yard in Waycross, Georgia. But this isn't just any yard, it's the largest in the CSX system. The facility is around 850 acres and has about 150 miles of track. In the distance, you can see the heavy repair shop. There's even a hump yard not far from here. But one thing that'll catch your eye if you ever get an aerial view of this place is the locomotive storage area. Here, there are 7 tracks that occupy the equivalent of around 7 football fields. From the air, you can see slugs, Jeeps, big 6-axle GEs and EMDs, switchers, and even an old Jordan spreader. Many of the engines have covers on their exhaust stacks to keep out the elements. Some are even missing horns and other parts. This is definitely an interesting place that shows off CSX's motive power history. But why are all these here? Perhaps some of these engines have reached the end of their service lives. The GE-8s are approaching 30 years old. There are also a few high horsepower AC6000s in here that are around 26 years old. But some of the big EMD SD70 Max aren't even 20 yet. You really don't see too many EMDs leading CSX freight trains anymore. The company seems to be all in on GE road locomotives. Who knows, these stored engines could also be a byproduct of precision scheduled railroading. One thing is for sure, this is a pretty amazing sight. At one time or another, many of us probably watched these engines run up and down the East Coast. But there are still plenty of active locomotives around Waycross. 6 rail lines come together here, and there's never any shortage of trains.